What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car here. Back as usual. So I'm walking around Envigado right now. Just trying to get a feel for what restaurants are open. Sorry, hold on. So you can see across the street, there's a couple restaurants over there. Those restaurants were closed last week, so they're back open. This spot, they have outdoor dining, it looks like. It looks like they're back open. And a popular place over there that's back open. Ice cream spot, it looks like you still have to order it from the outside there. So let's see, it looks like they closed the street off so they could have outdoor dining over here. Let's walk down this way. There's actually a lot of traffic. Okay. Today is a Thursday, so yeah, it's a Thursday. Okay, looks like there's a couple people out here eating. Thursday is usually a day where they have a lot of people. It's a very nice setup. Come on, this one. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to walk through here and do a look. That's the restaurant over here that I ate at in my restaurant video, Amelia Steakhouse. Jeez, I'm having a lot of trouble with this stabilizer, but it's just not really as responsive as you might think. But anyway, it is a beautiful day. It rained a lot today, and basically I was in the house most of the day. I stepped out just for a little bit. So you can see over here, there's a few people chilling and eating. And actually my favorite pizza restaurant seems to be open now. So I'm gonna walk over there and take a look and see what it's looking like. And this place, super good. Their ice cream, the spot that I just passed, is super good. Definitely a good spot to come. And then right here, this is a place that I love. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
That's the owner right there. I'm gonna holler at him. It's good to see that you're back open, man. Finally, man. The wait's over. Nice to see you, man. I'm just walking around with my dog doing some videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I've been actually eating kind of well, but soon I'm gonna have to order a pizza.
Need some real food too.
Yeah, man, for sure. But it was nice to see you, man.
Yeah,
I'll let you get to work.
Take care.
Happy you're open, dude.
Thank you.
See ya. So, if you're in Medellin, oh shit, you definitely want to try not pizza. So I'll give you a look from the outside. Just NA pizza. All right, definitely a good joint. So Yep, so as you can see in Envigado, this is just one small part of Envigado, but they have a lot of cool restaurants. And then, you know, if you keep walking down here, you get into some pretty good street food. So this is a sushi and wok place. The mechanics of meat. All right. So as per usual, we got some beautiful mountain views. It's so nice when after it rains here, honestly. Let's cross the street. I was intending to go to the dog park over here, but we'll see. It's a light store. They have some really cool stuff. If you're looking for lights, it's called Focus. Wow, look at that sunset. It's amazing. And we got a church up here, a little bakery. Looks like the church is now open. For a long time, the church had its doors closed. So I'm not gonna go filming all trying to get inside the church right now, because I know people are just trying to pray and stuff. So let's continue on. Alright. Wow, the sunset is just crazy. Alright, so right now I think I'm about to just hang this left here and head over to this park. It's a park, it's not really specifically a dog park or anything, but I'm just gonna go get some off-leash time with everybody's favorite. I got him back, my assistant today. There he is. Some big dogs. Come on. Go for it. These guys are having some fun. Every time I get close, they run away. There we go. Don't know whose dog that is, but let's see. Very white. So yeah, guys, if you haven't already, check out some of my other videos where I talk a lot, and I have a ton of different content right now. So go check out some other videos. A lot of stuff on Colombia. Follow me on Instagram. Hit me up about the if you're interested in any image consulting of any kind, or anything, you know, consulting to do with Colombia, financial consulting, personal finance stuff, all that, man, I can help you out. And don't forget to comment and like and show some love to the channel, man, so we can keep these videos coming. So I think I'm gonna just end it here. I think I'm gonna just chill for a minute at the park, and yeah, man, I'll holler at y'all later. Thanks for watching, and I wish everybody the best.